Hello everyone, thanks for joining my channel, RPGuru Tech Talk. This is Renu Prasad. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to watch more fun videos and also get updated when new videos are uploaded in my channel. Thank you so much. I have this movie on a DVD which I bought several years ago. I love this movie. I want to watch it, but unfortunately, we don't have any DVD players around. I mean, we just probably packed it somewhere and kept it somewhere. So let's see what we can do. I'm going to put this in a DVD drive of an old laptop. And once I put it in, you will see that the drive recognizes it. And it shows that the DVD has been installed and the movie Jackie is there. So I have installed HandBrake previously. So I click on that. And if you see, it automatically recognized the DVD. So I click on that. Now it starts scanning the DVD to get the details. So it takes a little time, but it'll scan all the details of that DVD. And this software can help you convert this DVD movie into a format which you would like to probably save it as MP4 or and different formats. I like MP4, which is compatible with many players on my laptop and my Android phone and Android tablet. So if you see, automatically it says M4V, but you don't have to save it as M4V because it is the same as MP4. I just rename it to MP4 instead of M4V. So I just say MP4 and save. And then actually you can also change the name. Right now it says Jackie-2. I just rename it to Jackie just for convenience sake. And then I hit start encode. So it starts converting. This will take a while. So I will fast forward the video and bring it to a stage where I walk through the rest of the process. So it starts doing the job, and it has reached a stage. It's finally reached the stage of the final stages of converting, and it's almost done. If you see, it took 1 hour 37 minutes on my laptop. Depending on your CPU and memory in the laptop, it might take longer or less. So it's completed the process. So I close the software, HandBrake software. And if you see on my desktop, it created a Jackie.mp4. I double click that, and if you see, it's pretty, the quality of the DVD is the same as the generated MP4. So hope this helps you. Talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.